Coffee grinders grind coffee. We grind coffee grinders. My name is Casey. This is William. We're the Smash Channel.
Yo, what's up, man? How's it going, man? We're gonna look at this Mr. Coffee deluxe coffee grinder. Maybe it's not deluxe. I just said that. I mean, it's a little bit higher class than normal ones that we got. This is supposed to be a pretty robust item. It feels kind of heavy, you know. It looks like it was used and the motor burned out. So
Bring up a
check
plate.
this out. We're gonna see if this coffee grinder can get ground up itself. You know, I mean, it's a pretty good question, right? Like, is this thing gonna stand up? Is it gonna break our hammers? We don't know. All right, find out. I'm gonna let you do this one. It's kind of a small item. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
That thing actually stood up pretty good.
Let me retrieve this for us
Hey,
real
we're
quick.
gonna put it on its side. Look at it.
Look at
That
that.
was a good solid hit, and I mean it's kind of broken. So I mean, like,
You know what? Just because of that, because this little puny hammer didn't do the job, if we can get 10 more subscribers, we will get bigger hammers.
Yeah.
10 subscribers, we'll get the bigger mallets.
then maybe
Okay?
we'll smash it in one try. All right, but we gotta try it a couple more times. Dang, man, this thing's pretty robust.
Oh,
I'm gonna broke it a little bit.
it's making some smells coming out.
Go
Come on, can I
ahead.
get a hit?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm ready.
Here, hold it like this.
Take this, Monday. Ah,
Take this, hump day.
whoa. That is
We're
crazy.
getting some- we're getting
Don't
somewhere.
do this at home, you guys. This is the Smash Channel.
I mean, we kind of got like some indestructible plastic. We barely put dents in this stuff. Now we're in the inner workings of it right here. We got. All right, so yeah, we got this motor right here. We're gonna smash it.
We gotta smash the motor.
I don't know. It's pretty robust, man. Broke it off. All right.
Ready? I'm gonna get a hit on this.
Ah.
Let's smash it. All right, guard your face. You ready?
Hit. Okay, so this thing is pretty robust, man.
All right, I'm gonna get it. That's why. Let's get 10 more subscribers. Let's get some bigger hammers in for when we get stuff like this. We want to make sure that we.
Obliterated.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
Everything must be broken.
Ah.
Thank you everybody for watching. Please like, please
Smash
subscribe. Smash Channel. Thank you.
Ah.